Right. Your boy BK here coming at you with a how does Julienne some onion. So I already did the first part. Take off the top, take off the root, little slice down the edge, peel the stuff off. Nice easy way to clean that up. Then we bisect it. Again, you'll see some of the videos I might make about food prep with the ergonomics of how you slice. I find that having the top facing me is better than the root side facing me in doing an onion like this. So grab your knife, fingers on the blade, and you'll basically do like an up and down stroke and follow it through. I get to about the halfway mark and then I flip it around and do the other side. This is something that takes practice, so don't be too discouraged and don't be afraid to take it slow at first. Without a doubt, if you cut yourself, well, that's just par for the course. So I don't know how great you can see the motion of the blade at this point, but and I throw as much as I can on the floor. Don't be afraid to take it slow, especially when you're starting out. Not the easiest cut to do, but it'll save you a ton of time prepping onions, without a doubt. And that's the goal, right? Let's get a good product. Pretty good product, pretty quick. We can move on to bigger and better things. So thank you very much for joining me for this quick little tip. If you have any other questions, comments, tips you want to leave, by all means, or if you want to see how to prep something else, maybe I can help. So thank you very much and take care.